Well, I know you've been lately low. I've been low lately. Guess it's starting to show. There's a light on in this place, but there's nobody home. You can call it the breeze that sent you to your knees. You can call it the shape of your heart. I feel like breaking out of here. I feel like breaking out of here. Feel like breaking out of here. Love, let's get far away from here. So it goes round and round and go, waiting for something to light us up. From your head to your toes, that fear that ties you up, watch it come as it goes. Let's go breaking out of here. Let's go break on out of here. Let's go break on out of here. Love, let's get far away from here. We are the dawn on the rise. We're the California pine, and we dream of the things we'll never know. We are shining in the sun. We got the dark on the run, and we're walking each other home. Make your way through the dark, and you'll know in your heart we're just walking each other home. You've not done. You have done. So let's go break on out of here. Let's go break on out of here. Let's go break on out of here. Love, let's get far away from here. We are the dawn on the rise. We're the California pines, and we dream of the things we'll never know. We are shining in the sun. We got the dark on the run, and we're walking each other home. Thanks very much, everybody. Thank you.
Charlie, if you have any kind of weights to put in front of the kick drum, it's a bit lively.
Stop kicking it so hard.
It's off on its own.
Getting a bit too excited there, Scott.
Barely touching it.
You got heavy legs. I've always said that about Scott.
What are you trying to say? It's just a little bit
I've
of
always
holiday
said
weight.
that about you, haven't I? What, Scott? What, the one with the heavy legs? No, yeah, that one. True. Surprisingly small feet for such heavy legs, I always say.
More like hooves.
Yeah, that'd do it.
Oh, great.
Did we mention we've just come back from Hollywood?